Hi there, let me show you how to activate power saving mode in your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. So first, swipe down from the top of the screen and swipe down one more time to open your toolbar, and here find the power saving icon. Tap this icon to activate the power saving mode and tap it again to deactivate, and tap and hold to enter the settings. Let's see what we have here. Here you can, of course, you can turn the feature on or off. When the power saving is turned off, you can tweak this mode. For example, you can to limit CPU speed to 70% while the power mode is working. Also, you can to activate super power saving mode or maximum power saving mode by activating this feature. When this feature is on and the power saving is on as well, the phone starts to work in very limited mode. You can use only limited number of applications: phone, messages, internet, settings, and for custom applications you can add applications by yourself by tapping the plus icon and choosing the applications from the list. To change the applications, you need to tap these three dots in the top right corner and tap on edit, and then you can remove the applications and add new or not to add. Then tap done. And to exit this power saving mode, you can use two ways. You can tap on these three dots and turn off power saving, or open the toolbar again and turn off power saving from here. But let's go back to settings and see some more cool features. For example, tap on these three dots and go to adaptive power saving mode. Activate this feature to let the system to learn your phone usage and tweak power saving mode automatically according to your user behavior. But you can't use this setting when your maximum power saving mode is on, so you can turn this feature off and then go to the adaptive power saving mode and turn it on. What can you do from this menu? The matter is that applications running in background use battery. It's sad but true. So here you can put unused applications to sleep, and also you can control which applications will never go to sleep and which applications will sleep deeply and don't send you notifications and don't be around in background. This is very useful tweak for battery geeks. But let's go back and some more simple advices. When you don't use some feature of the phone, for example, you don't use NFC chip. If you don't use NFC chip, turn it off. If you don't need to use location, turn it off. If you don't need to use Bluetooth, if you haven't connected devices, turn it off. If you don't need to use mobile data, turn it off. All of that will prolong your battery life and help you to stay charged longer. So I think that's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Have a nice day.